प्रीति, मैं आपका प्रोफाइल गो थ्रू कर रहा था। आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू योर प्रोफाइल जो आपने सबमिट किया था सीए कनेक्ट में। मैंने देखा आपके 10th एक हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल से, देन यू शिफ्टेड टू अ इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल, then CPT, and then you got a rank in IPCC also, 31 rank, 31st rank all over India, and then rank in CA final. एक क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने IPCC और फाइनल के एग्जाम्स इंग्लिश में दी?
Yes.
और आपने 11th 12th भी पूरा अपना इंग्लिश से कंप्लीट किया। तो क्या डिफिकल्टीज आई हिंदी टू इंग्लिश? और काफी सीए स्टूडेंट्स को मैं जानता हूँ, काफी सीए स्टूडेंट्स को देखता हूँ, इंग्लिश उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम रहती है और उन्हें थोड़ा सा इंफीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स रहता है कि मैं हिंदी मीडियम से हूँ। कई बच्चे मुझसे पूछते हैं सर मैं सीए आईपीसीसी हिंदी में दूं या मैं इंग्लिश में दूं। उन सब के लिए क्या सजेशन है? उन सब के लिए तो आप बिल्कुल एक मोटिवेशनल फिगर बन जाओगे और सबको बताओ कि इसको कैसे आपने काउंटर किया हिंदी इंग्लिश वाली प्रॉब्लम।
In 11th it was very difficult. In starting I didn't tell my classmates that I am from Hindi medium because English medium students they used to get very affected by the listening to Hindi medium. And then I did hard work. My accounts teacher said to my parents when I used to ask questions in English, she's very quick in replying to the questions. But when I asked in English, she takes time. Days of is there a problem? Then I told my teacher that I am from Hindi medium. Till 1 year, my teachers didn't knew that I am from Hindi medium. Till then, I have scored so much well in the exams, and then they feel proud that she's from Hindi medium.
And since she's scoring so well.
Yes,
right.
Because in starting I didn't tell anyone because people used to, sometimes English medium students, no, not all, but some English medium students think that these Hindi medium students can't do anything. So in starting I didn't tell anyone. Then if I scored, I performed well, and after that I told everyone, and they were very proud of me at that time. And it was a problem, and I have done Hindi medium from a very small town also. I used to live there, and then we shifted to Faridabad. And it was a little bit problem, but with hard work, nothing's tough. Actually, with hard work, you can overcome any problem. And I think English is very important in today's era because if you are doing CA in Hindi, then I think it's not as worth as English because this is an era of globalization and you can't pursue that with Hindi. So I think English is very important, but yes, some inferiority is there because we can't speak so much. We can't speak English with so much fluence and so much here, but with the passage of time, it gets improved. Maybe my English when it was in 11th I was not able to speak one line even, but now I am speaking in front of you, in front of everyone. So with hard work, everything can be made easier.
Great story and great inspiration for everyone sitting out there and who are looking for this answer that whether I should give my CA exams in Hindi or English. मेरे हिसाब से जो सजेशन बनती है वो यही बनती है कि you should go in English.
It's a era of globalization. हिंदी में आप क्या balance sheets, everything is in English. You can't go with the Hindi.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि हिंदी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है। मतलब लॉ के अगर आप टेक्निकल टर्म्स अगर देखें तो इसका भी अगर टेक्निकल टर्म्स देखें तो शायद हिंदी में पढ़ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा।
English is very easy language, but yes, जिसे नहीं आता उसके लिए टफ है।